What if I told you there are teens making their first $1,000 online using tools that are literally free? No coding, no huge audience, no waiting years. Today, I am going to show you exactly how you can start making money with AI this week. Schools teach math, history, and science, but they don't teach you how to turn technology into income. Right now, businesses are desperate for help using AI, and most of them don't understand it. That's the opportunity. Here's the biggest secret. You don't make money by building AI. You make money by using AI to solve problems. Businesses pay for three things: saving time, getting more customers, looking more professional. If you can help with those, you can get paid. Small businesses struggle with social media. Restaurants, gyms, realtors, car detailers, they all know they should post, but they don't. This is your first money opportunity. Step 1. Pick a niche. Choose one type of business and focus only on them. Step 2. Use AI to create content. You can generate captions, post ideas, hashtags, and full monthly content calendars in minutes. Step 3. Package it as a service. Offer 12 posts per month with captions and ideas delivered weekly. Charge $150, $300 per month per business. Get just 5 clients and you're making $750, $1,500 per month. Businesses love short videos right now, but most don't know what to say on camera. This is a goldmine. Offer short video scripts for TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts. Use AI to generate hooks, video ideas, and 30 to 60-second scripts. Send businesses 3 free video ideas to get their attention. Once they like them, offer a monthly package. Charge $20, $30 per script, or $200, $500 monthly packages. You only need a few clients to start earning real money. Here's a super underrated idea. Students and parents pay for help with resumes, college essays, scholarship essays, and cover letters. I can help you draft and improve these fast. Position yourself as a student, resume and essay helper. Charge $25, $50 per resume, and $30, $75 per essay edit. This works especially well locally and in your school community. This next part is the most important. You don't need ads or followers. You need outreach. Start with local businesses on Google Maps, Instagram business pages, and family friends. Send simple messages offering free ideas. Free value builds trust, and trust turns into clients. Your first client is the hardest. After that, it gets easier fast. This won't make you rich overnight, but it can get you your first $100, then $500, then $1,000, and beyond. Most teens never even try. If you start now, you're already ahead. AI isn't replacing young people, it's giving young people superpowers. You don't need permission, you don't need a degree. You just need to start helping people with tools they don't understand yet. Start this week. Your future self will thank you. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more.